Hi, my name is Akash Verma and I am one of the co-founder at InnoScript. So we are launching our first advanced data structures and algorithm course. So there are some prerequisites for this course. The first one is that you should have a decent experience with one programming language. And the second one is that you should be able to implement all the data structures and algorithms. Now, how this course will run? So we will start from advanced mathematics covering topics like linear occurrences, matrix exponentiation, region or principles and number theory. Then we will move to advanced bit manipulation problems. Then we will cover prefix sum, merge intervals and priority queues, advanced graphs covering topics like articulation points and bridges and shortest path problems which are asked frequently in competitive programming problems. Then we will solve and learn how the advanced data structures works like Trice data structure, segment tree and Fenwick trees. Then we will solve some problems on advanced recursion and backtracking problems. Then we will move to dynamic programming problems. So we have categorized dynamic programming problems into different subcategories like 1D dynamic programming problems, graph-based dynamic programming problems. Then we will learn about how grid-based dynamic programming works. And then finally we will solve some classical or standard problems of dynamic programming problem. This course is going to be really amazing. This is a complete hands-on programming advanced course. So this will give you a different level of confidence while solving problems in competitive programming problems or giving contests like Google Kickstart or Facebook Hacker Cup, etc. So I am very excited to launch this course and I hope you guys also are very excited. So we are providing teaching assistant support throughout this course. So the people who are already working in big companies and high paying startups will be supporting you as a teaching assistant. And finally, after ending up this course, so you will be having some mock interviews with those people. So you can register for this course. The registrations are open on our website live.innoscript.in. So what are you waiting for? Go and register. See you in the course.